Finally, ang pinakahihintay mong party. Wish I'm with you guys, inggit ako. But anyway, to Mary Jane, to my dear sister, Jeng Jeng, Sisa, okay? Sa pamilya, yan ang pinakatahimik. Pangalawa sa matalino kasi alam niyo na kung sino una, ako yun. Conservative yan. Kala ko nga magmamadre yan eh. Basta, she's one of a kind. Ate Jeng, I just wanna wish you a happy birthday. I know you're excited of this moment. I know you're counting each day. I saw your profile in Friendster. But, you know, don't say at last it's that you're 18. Don't say, you know, at last I'm 18. Because this is just a beginning of your, you know, being a lady. This is just a beginning of a real life. Isang ganap ka ng dalaga. Say bye to being childish and welcome to be a woman. Don't worry about your future. I know you will have a great one. I just want you to know that, you know, my promise is promise. Kung ano yung mga pinag-usapan natin, alam mo na yon. I will try my best to help you. Just let me know kung ano yung kailangan mo. Nandito lang ako. Nandito si Kuya Obet mo. Tutulungan ka rin yan. Hindi ka rin yan matitiis. And one more thing, and pagod na ako, no? Study hard. Study first. Okay? Medyo bawasan yung pagbabarkada. Okay? Know your limitation. Know your priority in life. Stick with your dreams. And look after yourself. Okay, wala mo nang mag-aasawa. Huwag gagayahin si Ate Jom mo, ha? Okay? And one more thing, thank you for all your prayers, guys. Don't worry about my health. Don't worry about me. I'm okay. Okay. But continue nyo lang yung pagdadasal nyo sa akin, okay? And just enjoy the party. Enjoy your night. Wish you all the best, and once again, happy birthday. Cheers from Dubai. Okay, regards to my son. Kuya Balong, miss na kita. Regards din kay Romel. Okay. Bye.